Ever wondered how you could make your gardening experience easier and more fruitful? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today we're going to explore a variety of gardening hacks that truly work. And the best part? They're easy to execute and will serve gardeners of all experience levels. We'll delve into the world of eggshell fertilizers, DIY watering globes, and even how to use your morning coffee grounds for pest control. Plus, we'll touch on the ancient technique of companion planting to maximize your garden's potential. These tried and tested hacks will not only make your gardening journey smoother, but also turn your green space into a flourishing paradise. So, whether you're just dipping your toes into the world of gardening or already have soil under your nails, these tips are for you. Get ready to transform your gardening routine. First on our list is a hack that involves something we all have at home: eggshells. Yes, you heard it right. Those fragile shells that usually end up in your trash bin are actually a treasure trove of nutrients for your garden. So, what makes eggshells so special? Well, they're packed with calcium, an essential nutrient that helps plants build strong cell walls. And strong cell walls mean healthier, more robust plants. Plus, calcium can help prevent certain diseases in plants like blossom end rot that commonly affects tomatoes and peppers. Now, how do we transform these eggshells into a garden-boosting fertilizer? It's simple. After you've enjoyed your eggs, rinse out the shells and let them dry. Once they're dry, crush them into tiny pieces. You can do this with a mortar and pestle, or simply put them in a bag and roll a rolling pin over them. With your crushed eggshells ready, it's time to get them into the soil. Sprinkle them around the base of your plants. As the shells break down, they'll release their calcium into the soil, giving your plants a nutritious boost. Remember, gardening is all about working with nature, not against it. By using eggshells as fertilizer, you're not only giving your plants a nutrient boost, but you're also recycling your kitchen waste. So, next time you're making breakfast, save those eggshells for your garden. Our second hack is perfect for those times when you're away from home or simply too busy to water your plants. Now, how many times have you found yourself forgetting to water your plants? Or perhaps you've been on a vacation, only to come back to wilting, thirsty greenery? Well, we have a solution for you: the DIY watering globe. Imagine a device that waters your plants for you while you're away. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not only possible, it's also incredibly easy and cost-effective. All you need is a clean, empty plastic bottle. Here's the trick: you fill up your plastic bottle with water. Then you simply insert it upside down into the soil near your plant. And voila, you've got yourself a DIY watering globe. What happens next is pure science. The water in the bottle will slowly seep into the soil, providing your plant with a steady supply of water. It's like having your very own automated watering system, but without the hefty price tag. This little trick is not only a lifesaver for your indoor and outdoor plants, but it's also a fantastic way to reuse those plastic bottles that would otherwise end up in the recycling bin. With this hack, you can ensure your plants stay hydrated even when you're not around. Now, isn't that a breath of fresh air? Are you tired of pests wreaking havoc on your beautiful garden? Our third hack, using coffee grounds, can help you with that. If you're a coffee lover, don't toss out those used grounds just yet. They can be a real game changer for your garden. How, you ask? Well, coffee grounds have a unique property. They can effectively ward off various pests that may be eyeing your plants for their next meal. Slugs, snails, ants, you name it. These critters aren't fans of the slightly acidic and gritty texture of coffee grounds. But wait, there's more. Besides just repelling pests, coffee grounds can also contribute to the health of your soil. They decompose quickly and add organic matter to your garden. This can improve the soil's structure, making it more porous and improving its water retention capacity. Furthermore, coffee grounds can boost the soil's fertility by adding essential nutrients like nitrogen, which is vital for plant growth. To use coffee grounds, simply take your used grounds and sprinkle them around the base of your plants. You can also mix them directly into the soil. Remember, moderation is key. Too much can make the soil too acidic, which might not be suitable for all plants. So next time you brew a cup of joe, remember to save those grounds. Who knew your morning coffee could double as an effective pest control solution? Our final hack is all about fostering a sense of community in your garden. This technique is called companion planting. It's nature's way of creating a harmonious ecosystem, where plants help each other grow and repel pests. So, what is companion planting exactly? It's the strategic placement of different plant species in close proximity so they can benefit one another. This might mean one plant repels pests that tend to bother another, or one plant helps enrich the soil for the benefit of its neighbor. A classic example is the Three Sisters method used by Native Americans: corn, beans, and squash. These three crops are planted together because they support and benefit each other. The corn provides a structure for the beans to climb. The beans in turn fix nitrogen in the soil, which benefits the corn and squash. And the squash leaves shade the soil, reducing weed growth and conserving water. Another popular combination is tomatoes and marigolds. Marigolds have a pungent aroma that deters many common garden pests, protecting the vulnerable tomatoes. Plus, they attract beneficial insects like ladybugs, which prey on harmful pests. To implement companion planting, simply plant your marigolds in the same bed or pot as your tomatoes, maintaining a healthy distance for growth. And voila! You've created a mini ecosystem where plants work together for mutual growth. Remember, a little strategy goes a long way in creating a thriving garden. And that's a wrap on our top gardening hacks. We've journeyed through the wonders of eggshell fertilizers, the ingenuity of DIY watering globes, the surprising pest control properties of coffee grounds, and the symbiotic magic of companion planting. Each of these hacks has the power to transform your garden into a verdant paradise, teeming with healthy, vibrant plants. They're not just effective, they're sustainable too, helping you to make the most of household waste and natural resources. So, why not give them a go? Whether you're growing a single potted plant or cultivating an extensive vegetable garden, these tips can make all the difference. Remember, every great garden starts with a single seed, and every great gardener starts with a handful of helpful hacks. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening.